everybody, welcome back to StarGirl Beauty channel. So as you guys requested, you guys want to see our CEO more often. Here she is. StarGirl, say hi. Hello, thank you so much for you guys spending time at our channel. Alright, thank you. Okay, StarGirl. Alright, so she said hi. Welcome back to our channel, and if this is the first time you're here, we'll welcome you. I hope you will click the button down below and join our awesome beauty community and be part of our awesome family right here. It's a makeup skincare family right here, and we're all very nice people anyway. And for those who have already subscribed and keep coming back to my channel, I've been thinking about that this week. Is like I'm really grateful for you guys. I know there are so many things happening around everybody's life. People are really busy. You know, time is something that is invaluable. That's what I told you guys in our comments. Is I really appreciate that you're spending your valuable time watching my videos over and over again, and that is just there is no words. Just thank you so very much. Number one, what I want to show you is a palette. I don't know, why do I have so many of these makeup revolution stuff like face, eyeshadow, but I don't know. When did I even buy them? I don't remember. But anyway, the first thing in the first basket is this, but I think it looks really pretty. This is a highlight palette. It's called Cheek Kit. Yeah, so those are the highlight, but I love this kind of stuff because they like marble. They have the marble thing in there. It's just great that you have 4 shades in the same thing. Very handy. So it's just great. So that's the first item that I want to show you. And then the second thing that I want to show you is skincare, right? So I decided that I want you guys to try something. You know, I talk about, I think you guys already saw the video that I was like raving about this first KBeauty ceramide cream. I finally used it on my rash, and then it just like works like magic. So I really do want you guys to try this brand in case you have never bought anything from them, you have never used anything from them. So this is your chance. This is a first KBeauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. So this one is really good. It has like the ceramide in there. And what is this? The next thing is a coconut water cream. So this one helps to hydrate, smooth, and recharge, and it has coconut water in there. So this is going to be lightweight. So if you want, use the water cream in the morning and use the thicker repair cream at night time, or when you have a problem. And this one is a face cleanser. It's antioxidant. It can remove all the oils and dirt and makeup. Antioxidant face cleanser. And the last thing, this is also a ultra repair cream. It's intense hydration. So this one is just a normal ultra repair face moisturizer, but this one is an intense hydration. So there are little travel set for you to try at least 4 of their products from the same brand. First KBeauty, and plus your highlight cheek kit. The second basket is the same thing, but this one is a different shade. Same thing, Makeup Revolution, and I have 2 of these. Another cheek kit, but this is a different color. I think these might be darker. Yeah, this one has a golden yellow in there, but this one has a pink on the bottom there, so they're different. So that is number 1. This is number 2. This is number 2. And what else is in this basket? And I think I already showed you guys a couple weeks ago, but this one didn't get shipped out, which is the OK Korean Beauty Pore Refining Peel Off Mask. You know, this is very good for cleaning out your pore. Peel off, it's really great. It's just like when you peel off your mask, every dirt, everything, it just come out with it. So it's really good. So it is a pretty good size. To basket number 3, it is of course more. So every basket has 1 item from Makeup Revolution. I even love the packaging. It is like shimmery ruby red. It's very Christmas. I think it is exactly the time that it came out. And unfortunately, these things just don't have any box. They don't have box to come in. Oh, when I opened it, I broke the seal right here. There was a seal here. but it has a plastic on top. But look at this color. I love this color. Oh, it's reflective. Sorry about the reflective, okay? But I hope you can see, have an idea of the color of this palette. So this one. Now the second thing in this basket is, again, it's a set of something that I want you guys to try it on. It is, I bought a travel set from Missha. You know, I love Missha, and I talked to you guys about this treatment essence. It's a toner, but it's the best dupe for the SK2, the $100, the bottle, the toner, that one. And this one is like the best dupe. I have a full size, and I already show you guys when I talk about the galactomyces and the fermented filtrate ingredient. This is a great toner, so please check it out. So the first thing that comes with the travel set is this Time Revolution First Treatment Essence. And the second thing in the set is it is a Super Aqua Snail Cream. This is a snail cream, and this is a cleansing foam. So they are both Super Aqua Snail. One is a cleansing foam, the other one is a cream. I know this is a little travel size for you, but it's a set that you can try their best selling product. Like I said before, great to buy this kind of set because you can really test out their best selling products. Last basket. All right, so this one is again reloaded palette, reloaded palette. It's called Jewel. Don't we already have a Jewel? Or maybe I showed you guys last week, but it didn't get shipped out. I think so, yeah. You know, I'm a huge fan of KBeauty skincare. So I really want to convince you guys that this is really something really great, and I hope you guys can take more time to look into that and try them out. So another travel set that I want to give it to you is from COSRX. Now you should be very familiar with the COSRX too. Basically, every time we talk about a skincare ingredient, this brand has a lot of ingredient that you want to check out. The first thing I already mentioned to you guys before, it is this low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. I was telling you guys that this is a very lightweight, very hydrating cleanser. Great in the morning to use because you don't have too much dirt or you don't have makeup on your face in the morning. And I like this one a little bit better than my I forgot the Snail foam cleanser. That one is a little bit stinking on my eyes, but this one, perfect. And then the second one from this is the Snail Mucin Power Essence. Now I already used up this full size. I even throw away the bottle, but I haven't repurchased this one. So I use up the entire bottle, meaning I really like it, right? So I have these two products, and I also have this product that I showed you last week when I talked to you guys about the Birch juice, and this is an oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion with birch sap. Remember I told you this one has like 70.8% birch juice in this skincare product. So this is like just great. So this is the set that I want you guys to try for COSRX. I hope you will fall in love with this brand too. I mean, price is really quite affordable. Alright, so now let's pick out our lucky winner this week, and this winner is, because I told you guys subscribe to my channel to enter the giveaway, but in order to increase the chance to win, you want to send me comments, because sometimes, you know, there is a problem with the subscription. I am not trying to make it difficult for you guys, but sometimes the subscription is like not even showing up. So I really actually don't know who is subscribing and who isn't not subscribing. So the only way that I can measure it's like maybe comments. The more I see your comments and I put your name in there, extra handwritten name I put in there, and that is just to increase the chance to win. And plus I really love to read your comments, and many of you are very nice and like asking me questions, sharing things with me, and that is really beneficial to me. And so please remember to comment on all my videos. All right. Okay, so wow, look at this, you guys. Look at this. In the beginning it wasn't like this, but now it's all right. Oh, okay, so I picked our winner for this Friday, and thank you so very much. Like I said in the beginning, I just really appreciate it because I know you have a lot of good things, better things you need to do in your life, but you're spending 10 minutes 20 minutes, 15 minutes watching my videos, and I really, really want to thank you. Right. So this week, a lucky winner this week is RL. So RL is actually stands for Renzi L. Renzi L. All right, so Renzi, congratulations. Thank you so very much. As usual, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And on top of that, you are writing me comments, and so I just want to thank you. And this is a little appreciation giving back to the community. So you've seen the video basket 1, 2, 3, 4, and please go ahead and email me your shipping address, plus tell me which basket I should be shipping it out to you. All right, so my email address is down below. Don't forget to email me and I'll check it. And I think that's about it. And I will be back next Friday, like I said. And then you too should come back and check on the screen, because you never know what will happen, because so look at this, right? And I think very soon I'll have to change for a bigger basket. Let's hope so. All right, so thank you so very much for watching, everybody. And don't forget to be the star of the show. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.